This video will show you how to handle settlement contracts that involve multiple cases in CompFile. When you are drafting a contract that involves multiple cases, use the search field to add each of the case numbers that are being settled in the contract you are drafting. The oldest case will appear as the primary case on the contract, and the other case numbers will appear beneath it. If you select Yes to the question, "Do you want to pre-populate the settlement contract?" the contract will pre-populate with the information from the oldest case. When drafting the contract, use the Notes fields to explain details about the other cases. For example, under Average Weekly Wage, provide the average weekly wage for the oldest case in the Average Weekly Wage field. Then, if needed, add other average weekly wage amounts in the Notes field to the right. Under Date of Accident, enter the date of accident for the oldest case in the Date of Accident field and use the Notes field for the other dates of accident. Under the fields How did the accident occur?, What part of the body was affected, and What is the nature of the injury?, provide brief descriptions for each case number, starting with the oldest first. Because there is a character limit for these fields, much of this detail will be described in the terms of settlement. Under Return to Work Date, provide the return to work date for the oldest case. Then, provide other return to work information in the explanation field below. Even if you answered yes to the question, "Did the employee return to his or her regular job?" The Temporary Totally Disabled Dates section allows multiple TTD dates. After you have added the first time frame, you can add other dates by clicking Add TTD Dates again. You can also utilize the Notes regarding temporary total disability benefits if needed. Under Medical Expenses, there is an opportunity to clarify necessary details in the List Unpaid Bills in the field below area. This can be utilized if one employer has paid medical bills but another employer has not. Under Total Amount of Settlement, there is a small notes field you can utilize to make a brief comment or point to the terms of settlement. In the Terms of Settlement section, you can provide any necessary details about each case included in the contract. For example, you can provide additional explanation about multiple accident dates and periods of disability. Also, clarify how the dollar amounts are attributing among the multiple cases being settled on the contract. In CompFile, settlement contracts that involve multiple cases can be drafted and reviewed in an organized, comprehensive manner.